Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting what Microsoft needs to verify you, so get your account email or phone, the recovery email or number, and a device you've used before. Once done, sign into account. Live, COM or open Outlook and choose Can't access your account. Make sure notifications from recovery channels can be received. Otherwise, pause and restore access to that recovery email or phone first. This saves time and prevents repeated identity checks later. Next, follow Microsoft's password reset flow. Pick Forgot My Password, enter your account, and choose a verification method, text, email, or authenticator code. When the code arrives, type it exactly and proceed to create a new strong password. Avoid reused or predictable phrases. If you don't have those recovery methods, choose I don't have any of these and fill the identity recovery form with past passwords, contacts, and invoice details. These details help Microsoft confirm ownership. Finally, set a long, unique password and save it in a reputable password manager. This prevents future lockouts. Once signed in, re-enable two-step verification and update your recovery email and phone so verification codes reach you next time. If your reset fails, use the detailed account recovery form again and supply any verifiable purchase or recent email details you can remember. If you still can't regain access, contact Microsoft support for guided verification. This often resolves edge cases where automated checks fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.